front of me is tablet NAVITEL T787, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to open Clock app. Then tap on Alarm section at the bottom left corner of it. To create your alarm, tap on this plus icon on the right. Then set up an hour and tap on OK. Finally, you can tap on Add Label at the top and label your alarm however you want to. When you're ready, choose OK. Now pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. Add or remove your alarm from Google Assistant routine thanks to this icon, and manage vibrations thanks to this one. Now tap on bell icon over here, choose Dismiss, and pick the best alarm sound for you. You can tap on YouTube Music and log in to your account. You can tap on Sounds, tap on Add New under your Sounds and pick music from your tablet. Or just apply one of those melodies and click on the back button. In my case, Butter. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. In order to delete it though, tap on this pin at the bottom left corner and wait. You can also click on those three dots at the top right corner, tap on Settings, and manage all of them however you wish to, like snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!